Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Allpips Indicator for MT4. Okay, so just head down to the description. You're going to find the link to download the indicator. It's going to direct you to the Forex Geek website where you're going to find the Allpips Indicator for MT4. Just download it from there. Okay, and then you head on to your MT4 indicators folder. You add the indicator file there. You come back to your navigator. You refresh, right click and refresh. After doing that, just look for the Allpips indicator, drag and drop to your desired chart. Okay, ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked. Then for the input, you can modify the input settings, the customizable settings, obviously according to your taste, and then you click on OK. All right, now you can see that the indicator also gives alert. All right, so this indicator is quite straightforward. Okay, it helps you to capture good moves in the market, focuses on identifying quality moves. All right, now the indicator gives you precise signals. As you can see, when it is time to buy, you can see it's going to give you a signal in the form of an arrow. Right, you can see this an upward arrow. It's a buy signal. And then you can see when it's time to sell, it's going to give you a signal. There's a downward arrow indicating the sell signal, right? And now you can see that the indicator also, shows you possible exit points. So you can actually consider entering your sell trade around the zone after the sell signal appeared. And then you can consider exiting your trade around the zones, right? Around the zone. So let's say you entered around here. Right after that candle formed, maybe you enter there, you can actually consider exiting around here or maybe around here, right? Within this zone, actually you can consider exiting your sell around here. You would have caught this move right all the way from here to here, right? Okay, so all the way from your entry to this zone, right? Depending on if you had exited here or here. Now, as for this buy move, you can see that we had a buy signal around here, so you can consider entering your trade around here, depending on when the arrow appeared. Okay, depending on how fast the arrow appeared. So let's just assume it appeared after the candle must have gone to this point. So let's say you entered around here, then you can actually set your stop loss below that swing low. In this case, of course, it's going to be above that swing high, right? Above the swing high, right? And then here you're going to be targeting to exit your buy trade somewhere around here. You can see this high that is identified by the indicator. You can actually exit there or perhaps exit at this zone. All right, so you're going to be targeting a move from here to perhaps here or here or here, right? So there's a straightforward indicator that helps you to make your entry and exit decisions quite easier. All right, so if you got value from this video, kindly like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more trading videos like this, and don't forget to share the video with someone who is going to find this video valuable as well. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy trading.